Oh, good morning, everybody. What's going on, everybody? It's Fitz Miller, back here with another video. Today, we're starting off our day. It's 7:30. We're going to rescue Ryan because it's his first day of work, and I think the Lexus alternator died, and the Mini started misfiring yesterday. So we're going to pick him up and drop him off of work. And yesterday I was talking about how I needed the sun to come out at some point because it had been raining for literally like 2 weeks straight at this point. Yeah, so finally, it's a little earlier than I would like, but I'm up and awake and the sun is out now. Only thing that is left is warmer weather. Let's go get Ryan. I have no idea what we're doing for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, we found him. That wasn't too bad. I don't know how far it is to get to work, but we got him. We got him, boys. Except there's like 80 million cars. So he can't open his door. There he goes. All right, we got him. All right, Ryan, would you like to explain what just happened?
Like the whole ordeal, like the whole thing.
I told him that you went to work and your car died, but like. Yeah.
So I've been a very good employee. It's my first day on the job. I left an hour early, and the place is like 20 minutes away. So I prepared for this, but of course my very nice and reliable low mileage Lexus LS 400
shit itself.
It just turned off in the middle of the road, like in the middle of the highway freeway. The alternator just died or something.
Yeah.
It just turned off, and I was like, of course this is gonna happen 30 minutes from when my first shift starts.
30 minutes from when the first shift starts on the first day
of the very important job.
Yeah. So you text them and let them know, or call them or whatever.
They don't care. They're like, yo, like it's fine. We don't care. So that's good.
Dear God.
But it still
dude.
Like doesn't look good.
No,
I hate
of course
not looking good. I hate looking bad.
Well, you'll have tow receipts or whatever you need, I guess.
Oh yeah, I had to pay $66 for the tow.
Dear God, it's 2 minutes.
I used all my free tows.
It's 2 minutes. Well, at least you got a job.
I used all my free tows in Myrtle.
But oh my God, we're going to the tow shop first to give them Ryan's information, and then we will be dropping it off at work. So you ready to go to work, son?
Dude, I'm not even working today. I'm just gonna be sitting in a seat.
So we had to stop and get son a coffee. But yeah, so he took it in AAA, or we showed up at the shop and they're like, yes, we can't fix it till Wednesday. That's tomorrow though, isn't it? Okay.
Oh, they can't look at it until tomorrow.
They can't
gotta actually fix it.
Yeah, because apparently AAA doesn't have techs Monday through Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday. So that's interesting. Yeah. That's suspicious. So I don't know how he's gonna get home yet. Maybe call my mom,
I guess.
Emmy. I'm taking the Wagoon today.
I'm gonna kind of need you to ask Lisa because I'm gonna be in the middle of training.
Yeah, I can ask Lisa. I'll just give her the address. And what time you get off? 3?
I think it's 3. Yeah.
We're like, hey, yo, mom, can you pick up Ryan, please?
But if it's like a half day, I'll have to call her and tell her that.
Yeah, I mean, if it's a half day, what time did you get off?
12, 8 to 12.
And then I could pick you up because I work at 2.
Okay.
So
that'd be nice.
Yeah, dude, it's been an interesting morning, but it is definitely sunnier out, which I'm happy about. And I wanted to get up early today, anyways.
This is just another day in the life of Ryan.
Yes. I think all of my YouTube videos have been of your car breaking.
Yeah.
It'd be funny to go through and get like a compilation every time that it broke, every event ever.
We still got
every trip ever.
We still gotta like fix that car too.
Oh,
I actually checked out the coil packs.
Yeah.
I think it's cylinder 1. The coil pack is just dead, which is actually, I've had to replace the coil packs like 3 times in that year.
It's kind of terrifying. Yeah, Ryan, the Mini's sold, by the way. The owner's picking it up this weekend.
Yeah. Yeah.
So in like 4 days, which leaves 4 days for Ryan and I to fix it. So I see a wild Wagoon in the distance. So if it comes up here, I'll show you. Oh yeah. So far we have passed the infamous Popeyes. If you guys remember that episode, that video, that was shit. We went to Popeyes and it like took like an hour to get our Sammys. We're also passing the infamous, what is it called? Flow Mini of Raleigh.
Mini of Raleigh, where I took my car and they didn't know what it was.
We pulled up and they were all of them, dude, inside like what, like what is that? And then denied Ryan's service, and then he had to take it back to Wilmington, which is 2 hours away. So we're almost to work. We got 5 minutes.
Julia, pretty clean.
Piece of shit, Julia.
Pretty clean. I like it.
Nah. We're back. We dropped off son at school or work. Dude, that's a lot. That's a lot. I don't know how my parents did that like all of my childhood. Driving me to school, driving back home, working, driving to school, picking me up, driving back home, and like let alone any friends' houses or sporting events. Holy shit. Anyways, we're back. We got the Wagoon absolutely loaded down because it still has everything from the drift event. My Wagoon plate is in, so we'll put that on. I'm gonna check the oil in both these cars. Oil. And dude, this thing needs a freaking bath. It is just filthy still. May as well check Emmy's too. Her tire keeps going flat, and I've patched like one tire in my life and it didn't really work, so I don't know if I want to try to fix hers or just like go get it patched or something. I don't know. But first order of business, checking the oil on El Daily and El Drifto car. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. Let's see what we got. Ready? Ready? Hey, you already know, plenty of oil. A little dark. I need to go back and check my records of the oil changes and just do the math. Try to figure out when the next oil change is. I don't think I'm close. I think I have like 1,500 Ks left. Let's go check the wagon. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Literally right on the line. Right on the line, dude. Good old M50 and good old RB, to be honest with you guys. All right, let's see what we got here. Come on. Missing the hole for like 5 seconds. All right, look at that. Perfect. Right in the middle. It's not gonna focus, but it is right in the middle line. Nice. Next up, boys, we are gonna be cleaning the wagon out. I need to clean it out. If I'm gonna drive it, or if Ryan's gonna drive it, the bitch needs to be cleaned. Alright, before we get to the wagon, I'm not gonna be repairing this tire today. I'm just gonna pump it up for her and probably just clean it out a little bit and make it nice, because she has a job interview today and I don't know what time it is. So after I do this, I'm gonna wake her up and then she'll be good. We might go to breakfast or something, but anyways, that's why I can't repair it. I just wanted to be able to drive it and have a good interview. We got the Miata cleaned out, the tire is pumped up, and it is officially time to clean the Wagoon out. If you guys can see here, we have everything from the drift event left over in the wagon. I'm gonna start taking all this shit out and then piling and then moving it into the garage. So let's do it. Let's get this thing back to where I can even see out of the back glass. Alright, who had Zaxby's trash and left it in my damn car? Alright boys, time to take all the shit in the garage. We're back to wagon life. We got all the wheels and tires in the garage. We got all the jack stand stuff, tools. Oh, now onto the Skyline. I don't think there's a whole lot to take out of this. Probably just my helmets. Clean it up, dude. I hate having dirty cars. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna show you guys the after 1 second of the interior. Anyways, it's gonna rain tomorrow. And boys, just like that, just without stuff in here,
Like we got my fire extinguisher. But other than that, it feels so much better. Like I said, it is going to rain tomorrow. I think it's supposed to rain like a couple days later this week. Not looking forward to it. I really just need a sunny stretch, wash off my cars. It's already like just kind of overcast, a little bit cloudy today, but there's actually sun for the first time in like 2 weeks. So I'm beyond happy. Emmy's car is cleaned out. Oil's good, tires good. Wagon's cleaned out, oil's good, tires good. Same with that. I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna be doing. Well, if you guys have made it this far, you're probably gonna be some of the people interested and some of the cool stuff I offer. So we have a long sleeve. We have a couple more of these in stock. Logo on the back, logo on the front pocket. Sick. I have one, Emmy has one, a couple other people bought them, so we have those. I also have the slaps, Moonstruck definition slap, and then we have the Moonstruck Skyline slap, I think I called it. But those are $5. Long sleeves are 25, and you'd be helping me out a lot, supporting the channel, me financially, the cars financially, and more importantly the dream of like doing this full time one day. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to see at times, but I get up and try my hardest to make a video and try to interact with you guys. So I'll get there. It's gonna take a minute, feels like it anyways. But thanks for watching my infomercial. Turns out I work 11 to 7, not 2 to 9. So I'm going to work. See you guys after work. Well, it's a few days later now. I think I told you guys we might have, we're gonna build Legos, but we're actually doing it. We're actually doing it right now. So I'm making a coffee. Look how gorgeous. Damn. Yeah, so I'm making a coffee. Emmy's got this cat that matches her tattoo, and I got an 11. So be ready. That's the before you get, or this clip is. All right, here's the after. No, stop. Here's the final product. We switched it up a little bit. I wanted the rotiform. Stop, bro. I wanted the rotiform fan blades in the front, and then the dish wheels in the back. So. You guys, I already just, you know,
He's filming! No copyright music!
He's vlogging.
Okay, that's it. Have a good day.
Dang it.